Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your cash like a pro. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the legendary Sony A7 III, like the James Bond of cameras, smooth, sleek, and always ready for action. And on my right, the Fujifilm X-T50, like that hipster barista who knows just a bit too much about coffee. Both these beauties are fantastic options, but which one should you take home? Grab your popcorn, because we're about to compare them in categories that matter. Let's roll! First up, image quality. The Sony A7 III boasts a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, praised by reviewers for its sharp photos and excellent low-light performance. It's like having a whole bakery of pixels at your disposal. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T50 features a 40.2 megapixels X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, which reviewers appreciate for its high-quality images. One customer even mentioned it was perfect for their bag, capturing amazing photos and videos. So if you're after those crispy details, the X-T50 is calling your name. But let's not forget the A7 II's dynamic range. It's the Batman of low-light photography, always saving the day. Next, let's talk autofocus. The A7 III has 693 phase detection points, which means it locks onto subjects faster than I can lock onto a pizza when I'm hungry. Reviewers love its fast autofocus and image coverage. On the flip side, the Fujifilm X-T50 supports all X series lenses, but some users have expressed concerns about its autofocus capabilities, especially in manual mode. If it can't focus on your friend's face during that epic sunset photo, what's the point? So the A7 III takes the lead here. Now, for all you aspiring filmmakers out there, video capabilities are crucial. The A7 III can shoot up to 10 FPS, which is fantastic for action shots, and reviewers have noted its reliable performance. Meanwhile, the X-T50 can shoot in 6.2K 30p and 4K 60p. Reviewers rave about its video features, especially the native Frame.io camera to cloud integration, making it a great choice for fast uploads. If you want to shoot videos in resolutions that sound like they belong in a sci-fi movie, the X-T50 might just steal your heart. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Sony A7 III comes in at $1,899, which some reviewers feel is justified given its performance. But hey, it comes with all the essentials: battery, AC adapter, everything except a personal photographer. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T50 is $1,799, making it a more budget-friendly option. Plus, it comes with a sexy lens kit, so you're ready to shoot right out of the box. Reviewers appreciate this value for money. Overall, reviewers have expressed mixed feelings about both cameras. The Sony A7 III is often praised for its image quality and fast autofocus, but some users have reported issues with durability. The Fujifilm X-T50 receives acclaim for its high-resolution images and video capabilities, though there are concerns about its build quality and autofocus performance. So which camera reigns supreme? If you're all about that full-frame life and dynamic range, the Sony A7 III is your best bet. But if you want jaw-dropping resolution and some cool video features, the Fujifilm X-T50 might just steal your heart. Remember, whether you're capturing landscapes or your dog's most embarrassing moments, pick the one that fits your style and budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.